is meant by the polyhalogen compounds. So last time we already discussed some points here. Okay, so what are the examples of the polyhalogen compounds? Dihalides are there, trihalides are there, okay, tetrahalides also it is there. So based on the number of halogens, poly means here if the compound is containing more than one halogens, means that we can call as a polyhalogen compound. Okay, now here some concepts are there, just I would like to discuss with you. Okay, so in this one some importance are the vicinal dihalides, geminal dihalides, and we know how to prepare the vicinal dihalides and geminal dihalides. Do you know or you don't know? Do you have any idea about how to prepare the vicinal dihalides and geminal dihalides? Hmm? What is the methods of preparation? From alkenes we can prepare as a from alkenes we can prepare as a geminal dihalides and vicinal dihalides also. Did you remember? How many members we having idea?
Yes, sir.
Halogenation reaction. So addition of hydrogen, that means here, let us see, here they had given some reaction. Now let's see, this is the preparation of the dihalides. All of you got the screen first of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this one some statement, it is the preparation of the dihalides. How we are going to prepare the dihalides? We have two types of the dihalides. One is the vicinal dihalides and geminal dihalides. So what is meant by the geminal dihalides, ma? What is meant by the geminal dihalides? Geminal dihalides means if two halogens are present on the same carbon atom means called as a geminal dihalides. If two halogens are present on the same carbon atom is called as a geminal dihalides. Okay. If two halogens are present on the adjacent carbon atom is called as a vicinal dihalides. Now let's see in this one. First one they had given us some preparation. Okay. Here they said, all of you got the screen or not, I don't know. So here, first one. From alkynes, here. From alkynes also we can prepare as a geminal dihalides. Okay, from alkynes. And that is also which alkynes we are taking means unsymmetrical alkynes. If it is unsymmetrical alkynes are treated with the hydrogen halide. Okay, unsymmetrical alkynes are treated with the hydrogen halide. Alkynes treated with the hydrogen halides means it follows the Markovnikov rule or anti-Markovnikov rule. Unsymmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical alkynes are unsymmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical alkynes are treated with hydrogen halide. So this reaction we already seen in the preparation of haloalkanes. Mechanism also I told clearly. I don't know how many members you remembered. What is with the Markovnikov rule? No one is responding. Kathy, Aditi, Ritu.
Sir, in Markovnikov's rule,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, the halogen gets attached to the carbon, which has more
or less? According to the Markovnikov rule,
less number of hydrogens.
Less number of hydrogens. Okay. So what is meant the Markovnikov rule means here? The negative ion is attaches the carbon which is having less number of hydrogen atoms in alkene or alkyne. Okay. Now this one is the unsymmetrical alkyne. So this one is here unsymmetrical alkyne. Okay, whatever they had given it is here, unsymmetrical alkyne. Okay, so in this one, if you see means, so here these two carbon atoms are there. In these two carbon atoms, so which carbon is having the less number of hydrogens? This is the first carbon atom and this is the second carbon atom. Second carbon atom is having the 0 hydrogens. Okay, so that means in the first step, if you add 1 mole of the hydrogen halide, means it forms as a, so secondary, okay, haloalkene is going to be formed. Again, it is the alkene. Again, if it is treated with hydrogen halide, again, if it is treated with the hydrogen halide, means it forms as a vicinal dihalide, geminal dihalides only. The geminal means two halogens are attached to the same carbon atom, that we can call as a geminal dihalides. Okay, and one more method also they had given from the carbonyl compound. When the carbonyl compounds are treated with PCl5, if it is treated with the PCl5, means it forms here RCHCl2 plus POCl3 plus POCl3. Okay, so by using this method also we can prepare as geminal dihalides. Okay, and vicinal dihalides. So what is the method we are using? Vicinal dihalides means bromination of the alkene. Okay, so bromination of the alkene, halogenation of the alkene, bromine in CCl4 or bromine in water. So what is the name the test we are using? Bromine in CCl4 or bromine in water? Do you have any idea? Bromine in CCl4 or bromine in water, ma? Hmm? Actually, bromine in CCl4 or bromine in water can be used in the detection of the unsaturated site. Okay, addition of bromine to the alkene. Okay, so it is the trans addition. I gave reaction also. It forms as a 1,2 dihaloalkanes. Okay, that is the one method. And what are the chemical properties? All this already we studied. Preparation of the dihalides, preparation of the alkanes only we studied. Haloalkanes only we studied. And what are the physical properties of the dihalides? What are the physical properties of the dihalides? Means here, dihalides are colorless with the pleasantest smell liquid. Okay, dihalides are insoluble in water, soluble in organic solvents. If you compare with the vicinal dihalides and geminal dihalides, which dihalides are more reactive? Means here, vicinal dihalides are more reactive. Okay, for that one, they had given some of the chemical properties also. What are the chemical properties? Means dihalides also it involves in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Dihalides also it involves in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Let us see. Again, from the vicinal dihalides only we are going to prepare as a carbonyl compounds. Next, aldehydes, ketones, carbon, carboxylic acids. One chapter is there. Do you have idea? I don't know. Okay. So from there we are going to prepare the carbonyl compounds by using the dihalides. So which dihalides means by using the geminal dihalides we can prepare as a carbonyl compound. Okay. So let us see. First RCHX2 plus 2 moles of the KOH they had given. Aqueous solution of the KOH. Aqueous solution of the KOH means it undergoes the nucleophilic substitution reaction only now. All of you, are you understanding or not? Otherwise, I will use the this one Microsoft this one, empty page only. Right, and I can explain you if you're having any doubts. Means I'll explain you. I think so. This one you're not understanding here. All of you are understanding or not, ma?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Here they had given vicinal dihalides. Okay, so geminal dihalides. First of all, we are talking about the geminal dihalides here. So geminal dihalides example is R bond CH Cl2. For example, R bond CHCl2, if it is treated with 2 moles of the aqueous solution of the KOH, aqueous solution of the KOH. In this one, 2 CLs are replaced by the 2 OH group. 2 CLs are replaced by 2 OH groups. These 2 OH groups are present on the carbon, means either it is the stable or unstable. These 2 OH groups are stable on one carbon atom or unstable? These 2 OH groups are stable or unstable?
Stable, sir.
These 2 OH groups are unstable on the one carbon atom. To become as a stable, they loses the water molecule. If they loses the water molecule minus of H2O, then in between the carbon and oxygen it forms as a double bond. That means RC double bond OH. That means this also we can write as here RCH4. So what is the name of the functional group? RCH4 means either it is a aldehyde or ketone. Either it is aldehyde or ketone.
Aldehyde.
Aldehyde. Okay, just one second. Pallavi, పెద్దన్న ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నాడు, ఒకసారి మాట్లాడవా? Okay. For example, if they had given R bond C bond OH, sorry. R C bond OH Cl, you can take as a Cl. Here directly I'm writing as a OH here. Okay, R bond Cl bond Cl bond R, it is there. Okay, R Cl Cl. If it is treated with the 2 moles of the KOH, if 2 moles of the KOH, so what is the product it is going to be formed? Anyone of you, can you guess? Any guess, ma? Which product it is going to be formed? You are telling that carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds means either it may be aldehydes and ketones are called as a carbonyl compounds. Now, so here 2, 2, for example, clearly if you want to tell means I think so you're not getting idea here. So directly I'll write as something here. CH3 bond C bond Cl bond Cl bond CH3. So what is the name of this one? Means 2, 2 dichloropropane. If 2, 2 dichloropropane is treated with, okay, aqueous solution of the KOH. If it is treated with the aqueous solution of the KOH, means what is the product it is going to be formed? What is the product is going to be formed? In this also 2 chlorine atoms are replaced by the OH na? In that also if 2 chlorine atoms are replaced by OH means CH3 bond C bond OH, and here also OH. 2 chlorines I am writing at the same side. So 2 hydroxy groups are unstable on the one carbon atom. To become as a stable, they loses the water molecule. If they loses the water molecule means again the double bond is formed between the carbon and oxygen. That means CH3 bond C double bond O CH3. Now what is the product it forms? What is the name of the product it is formed? Kathy, Ritu, what is the name of the product? What is the name of the product? Any one of you? The given compound is having the aldehyde functional group or ketone functional group? Ritu?
Sir, the ketone, I suppose.
It is having ketone functional group. Okay, it is having here ketone functional group. Okay, clear? So what is the name of this one? Means acetone. What is the common name of this one? Means here acetone. So when the geminol dihalides are treated with the aqueous solution of the KOH, means it forms as a carbonyl compound. Either it may be forms as a aldehydes or either it may be forms as here ketone. Okay, and if the vicinal dihalides, the vicinal dihalides are treated with 2 moles of the aqueous solution, what is the product that is going to be formed? For example, what is the reaction means? CH2 bond Cl bond CH2 bond Cl. Now it is treated with 2 moles of the KOH. It is treated with 2 moles of the aqueous solution of the KOH. 2 moles of aqueous solution of the KOH. So what is the product is going to be formed? Any one of you? What is the product? What is the IUPAC name of the product? The given example also it is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. The given example also it is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Make it fast, some other concepts are there. No one having idea? Why everyone then becoming as a dull today? Aditi? Aditi, Ritu, Kathy? Sai Akshit. What is the answer for the given question? Chlorine is. Kathy is giving answer. CH2.
Sir, I'm not sure.
OH. So what is the name of this one? Means ethane 1,2 diol. Ethane 1,2 diol. Okay. Ethane 1,2 diol. Right. So what is the answer means here? It is 1,2 diol. Diols it is going to be formed by the vicinal dihalides. Okay. So all these are the chemical properties of the diols. And what is another one means here? Triols are there. Okay. Triols. Sorry, trihaloalkenes. Trihaloalkenes. So what are the examples of the trihaloalkenes? Any one of you? Any one of you? What are the examples of the trihaloalkanes? CHCl3. CHCl3 is called as a chloroform. CHBr3 is called as a bromoform. CHI3 is called as a iodoform. CHI3 is called as a iodoform. This we can call as a bromoform. This we can call as a bromoform. This we can call as a chloroform. This we can call as a chloroform. Okay, and the first one in this one CHCl3. So CHCl3 is called as a chloroform. Okay, so from where how we are going to prepare the chloroform is chloroform can be prepared by the halogenation reaction. So from where we are preparing as a chloroform here, chloroform can be prepared from here halogenation reaction. By the halogenation reaction we are going to prepare as a chloroform. Okay, and what is the main importance of the chloroform? What is the main importance of the chloroform? Chloroform is used as a anesthetic drug. Okay, so previously they used as here it is the anesthetic drug. Okay, so nowadays it is not using as anesthetic drug. So One second. Waiting this color. Okay. It is used as a anesthetic drug. So nowadays it is not using as an anesthetic drug. So why it is not used as an anesthetic drug means here, because of whenever it is exposed to the sunlight and atmospheric air, it forms as a pathogen. So pathogen is highly poisonous. So due to that reason only nowadays we are not using as a this one. So CHCl3 plus half O2 here. Okay, half O2. If it is treated with the half O2 means it forms COCl2 plus HCl, and this we can call as a pathogen. Okay, so pathogen is highly poisonous. So due to that reason nowadays chloroform is not used as an anesthetic drug. Okay, in place of chloroform we are using as here halothine, isoleucine, and at all we are using as an anesthetic drug here. Okay, and chloroform and acetone, chloroform CHCl3 plus and acetone CH3 bond C double bond O Cl3. If the chloroform and acetone are reacts together means it forms as a chloritone. Okay, it forms as a chloritone. So what is the molecular formula of the chloritone means CH3 bond bond OH bond CCl3. So this we can call as a chloritone. Okay, where we are using as a chloritone means chloritone is used as a hypnotic drug. Hypnotic drug. Chloritone is used as here hypnotic drug. Okay, now you got the clarity, all of you. Clear? And iodoform. What is mean by the iodoform? Okay, ma. I think so. Everyone, you're having some network issues. No one is giving the answers. I'm also having something. I'm also looking like a little bit tired. So can I take class tomorrow? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why Kathy today is you're looking so dull? You're not giving any answers. Huh?
I don't
Aditi,
know.
what happened to you? Okay. Okay, Aditi. Okay, Aditi. Then I'll continue tomorrow, ma. Okay, I'll take tomorrow class. Okay? We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.